A secret about your car that you may not know. If you open up your glove compartment and undo the flaps on both sides so it looks like that, and then there's that bit there, pull this bit off here, which will reveal this little filter here. This is for your airflow. You need to pull it out, maybe give it a tap on the road, get any bits out. Now once you've got your filter out, give it both sides. Once you've got all the dust and bits out, then you just put it all back again. Also just quickly check both sides just to make sure you get all the bits out. Once you're happy, then you can put it back in like so. Put that back in there. Get the little flat bit, what you want to call this bit here. And then you just, that's all back in, and you just simply close your little glove compartment box like that. That's your little secret. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Hope you learnt something today. Thank you, bye.